thing is, this is what I'm talking about. Look how straight up this is.
Straight up the hill.
It's a 45-degree angle. Yep. It's right here. That's what it says, right?
Yeah, no left turn there, so gotta go around.
What's this guy doing? I got it. It's pretty, huh? Alright, third skier.
What's that building?
No stopping at any time.
Kind of 100.
Yeah, flowered gardens. It's slow. Water down. We're going to go with this for a little bit. Make sure I'm off on that side. There's a car parked right there. I think I would turn left. Yeah, this is people's house. That's their driveway. How funny is that, huh? So what's the name of this road? Yeah, I'm just going so I can like bump the wheel right here. I mean, it's pretty good. I mean, it's not too far.
Yeah.
Isn't that crazy? It's pretty fun. This road. Because you don't want to go straight down too fast, right? Can we get a picture? Look at this building, this house with all the flowers. Look, see the gardens right here? Right here, all those flowers on top. Yeah, I'm basically riding the bridge. It's creeping. It's creeping when it stops. Look at the people taking the steps. Who did this in that piece of shit? Surprised the brakes made it. I mean, look behind us. Look up there. Look how pretty that is. And actually, when you're like down at the bottom and you just look up, it's cool because it's just a row of cars coming down. It's funny.